Next is the parallel or the fast track to parallel. So once you've mastered snowplow turns and know how to link them up, you want to start to see if you can get into parallels, the fast track to parallels. For here you want to find easy blues, maybe an easy red. You want a little bit of speed in this. So again, you're going to start off traversing along. You want to get into that plow shape, put in your weight on the outside ski about sort of 70-30, so your inside ski is a little bit lighter, absorb onto the outside ski, and as it turns around, at the initiation of the turn, as you come around, you could slowly bring into your inside ski, and as you finish the turn, then you can finish the turn of traversing into a parallel when both skis are exactly the same. From there, once you've mastered left and right, doing that enough times, then you can start linking those parallel turns. Now you want a little bit more speed on this, so you want to be a bit down more the foreline. Again, you want to sink down, so flex down into it, absorb it, flex down, get that outside edge, bite it, and then as you finish the turn, right, bring that inside ski and stand up. It's that flex down and up, so you need to get that motion. There's the primary skills here that you're learning is, again, balance, pivoting, edging, and a little bit of pressure control, and a little bit of dynamic stability.